Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment. But more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Someone recently contacted me and asked if I haven't heard about the Bunting, Phillips drama that's going on in the People's National Party in Jamaica. Truth be told, I did hear about it. I saw it on the news. I saw it on social media. But I didn't choose to address the matter because I didn't think it was a national concern for Jamaica, to be honest. As a matter of fact, the reason why I didn't cover the issue before is because I thought it was just foolishness. And then I thought, could be a publicity stunt. Maybe these guys really don't want to win the next election and they just decided to hang their dirty laundry out. The reason why I say that is I assume. It's always risky to assume, but in this case, I did assume. And my assumption was that members of parliament and members of the People's National Party, the minister of the People's National Party, I assume that they are educated people, smart individuals, above the average educated person in Jamaica. I'm not saying they're the brainiest, but I assume that they have respectable IQs, if you know what I mean. So if that's a fact, then it's kind of hard for me to be buying to the public stunt or the public conflict that's going on between the two Peters. I mean, if indeed this is a fact and Bunting now wants to be the leader of the People's National Party, I think that's more of an internal issue, and the members of the People's National Party, all the respectful ministers, should come together and maybe they should make a vote and know whether or not they want Bunting or they don't want Bunting. To be honest, I've not invested much research into the matter, so I did not look closer to the issue to find out if they actually need votes from people of their constituencies or if it's just an internal issue. Either way, I just thought it was a ridiculous thing to hang out there because, in my opinion, the People's National Party are making a fool of themselves with this public conflict that's going on within their party. For one, it shows that the party lack union. That is a good look for the Jamaica Labour Party and a bad look for the People's National Party. Whether you're a football team, the Reggae Boys, the Reggae Girls, the Sunshine Girl, whether you're a basketball team or a political party, the same principles work. Unity is strength, and even if there is cracks within your team or your party, you cannot let that be exposed for the viewing of your opponent team, which in this case is the Jamaica Labour Party. It doesn't look good for the People's National Party. It seems as if they lack diplomacy, and it seems as if they lack organization skills within their party. And most people is going to look at it like, if they can't manage their own party, how are they going to run a country? From the little bit that I've read and seen online, it seems as if the two Peters got their egos involved in what should be an important assessment. It seems as if both of them would rather for their party to lose the next election rather than their ego being bruised. It seems as if none of the Peters want to step back. Bunting is determined that he wants to be the leader, and Phillips is determined that he is not going to step down. And for that reason, I didn't address the matter because, plain and simple, it looked foolish to me. It made Jamaican politicians look like they're not ready for the jobs. So that was the main reason why I didn't address the matter. Anyway, for any of my viewers or subscribers who knows more about this issue, without a doubt, let me know. I just decided to respect the request of one of my viewers who asked me to share my 2 cents on this issue, and that's the reason why I cover it. It's going to be very short because, like I say, I don't really have much to say about the matter than It looks unprofessional. It makes the JLP looks good. It makes the PNP look stupid. And it looks like the whole People's National Party need to rewind and come again. That's pretty much all I have to say about that issue, people. If you have more to say about the issue, if you got some information to give me that you feel as if I lack or I did not mention, without a doubt, bring it to me, because on my channel, I take positive comment, negative comment, criticism, thumbs up, thumbs down, because at the end of the day, each one teach one. Until next time, people, peace.